everybody, it's Analia, and I am going to walk you through the assignment for US History. So if you remember, before spring break, we were working on the America and the World essay, and there were several parts to this assignment. We had 4 different checkpoints that students were working on, and we were doing these, if you remember, back in group projects. So the first 2 checkpoints we went through, and each group looked at one specific portion of those 2 checkpoints. So we looked at U.S. imperialism, specifically looking at Hawaii and Panama and the taking over of Puerto Rico and Guam and other U.S. territories. And we looked at 4 different aspects of that. So we looked at before those events happened, the why. So what was the events that caused those things to happen or to take place? Number 2 was the strategies and tactics that were involved. Number 3 was how that affected the home front. And then the last one, number 4, was the effects overall that imperialism had on the world. And so we did that same exact thing for World War I also. So we looked at the causes that made the U.S. get involved in World War I, strategies and tactics, the war on the home front, and then the overall effects. So before spring break, we went through checkpoints 1 and 2, and then I assigned checkpoints 3 and 4 so that you guys had those materials and could get into them. And so what we're going to do this first week of online learning is you need to go in and you're going to pick either checkpoint 3 or checkpoint 4 to complete. I don't want you to do both of them. I want you to choose one. So if you want to look at World War II, you can choose checkpoint 3 and read through those documents and information. And if you want to look at the Cold War, you can click on checkpoint 4 and do that. And again, in those assignments, you're going to go through and you're going to complete the group preparation task card. So you can click into either of those checkpoints and click on that group task card. And in that group task card, again, it's going to have those 4 essential questions. And then it's going to have specific questions that you want to look at for those topics. So you're just looking at the strategies and tactics, or you're just looking at how it affected the home front. So you're picking one issue that you want to look at. And then all of the articles and materials for those questions are listed in there. Okay, so you want to get a good understanding of either World War II or the Cold War. And again, you can pick which one you want to complete. So you're going to do one checkpoint, and then once you have that part or that piece, you're going to go in and finish your final essay. So the final product for this one is an essay that responds to, again, just one of those essential questions. So you are going to choose one of those 4 topics and write an essay on that. And in this final product, what you're going to see is that there's a link to the Google document that has the essay prompts and also the directions for how to complete that essay. So if I grab this Google Doc link, I can take it up and I can put it into my web browser. And that opens up the Google document that we're going to use. So this has the 4 essay prompts and then again the directions for your essay. So you're going to choose one of the prompts, and the 3 cog skills that we're focusing on is writing a good thesis statement. So having a clear thesis with a point of view, using facts or historical evidence to back that idea up, and then specifically identifying a pattern or a relationship or a theme to your essay. So there are 4 prompts. You can look at how we got involved in imperialism and these various conflicts. You can look at the strategies and tactics that were used throughout these different events. You can look at how they affected us on the home front, or you can look at the overall impact or effect of imperialism and war on America. So you're going to choose one of those essay prompts and you're going to write your completed essay. You can do that in this Google document and then copy and paste it, or you can write it in that final document in that final product document, excuse me. So either one of those is an option. So this is going to be the assignment for the whole week from March 30th until April 3rd. So you guys have all week. So you want to plan out your time based on how much time you think it's going to take you to read through the final checkpoint and then to actually write out that essay. And the goal is to have your completed, finished essay by the end of the week and have that turned in to me by Friday. If you get stuck on this, if you have questions, if you need anything, feel free to shoot me an email and I can touch base with you individually. We're also going to have office hours, and so I'll have those posted as soon as I know what the schedule looks like, and we will be meeting as a class to answer questions, and then I'll be checking in with each of you individually as well. So please stay in close contact. Let me know what I can do to best support you and help you out through this process. If you have questions, email is a great way to talk to me, or you can also call or text, and that works as well. So I look forward to reading through your essays, and when you get those finished, hit submit and I will give you feedback. Thanks, guys.